2, 1. They're coming at you, Mike.
Oh, that's cool.
Lost 2 times.
Good job. Good job. If the submission's not working, try roll. Try flip.
So I thought I felt a finger in my eye, and then I saw a contact lens in that. I was like, yeah.
Keep moving, Malcolm. Keep rolling, Malcolm. Get your knees up in there. There you go. Get your knee up in there.
Shrink.
There you go. Frame up and roll. There you go. Almost, almost.
Keep moving, Malcolm. Keep moving, Malcolm. Get your knee. Don't give me your back.
There you go. Frame up. Put both your hands on top of each other and frame to it. There you go.
Did you see how you were keeping it down when you were using that? You did good on that.
All right, good.
You did great on that, Tommy. Buck. Bridge. Bridge.
Good.